How to change Amazon password on iPhone or Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can change your Amazon account's password on your Android or iOS device. So make sure to watch the video till the end. This process is going to work on both of these platforms' devices. So all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Amazon shopping application. Once you open the app, tap the account icon from the bottom of the screen. Then under this option, go to the Your Account option from the top. Once you go to Your Account, under Account Settings, you'll find Login and Security. Make sure to tap on it. Once you go to Login and Security, right over here you can see this option called Password. Tap the Edit button next to this password option, and all you have to do is enter your current password and enter the new password that you want to change to. Tap the Save Changes option, and your Amazon account's password will get successfully changed. The process is same for both the iOS and Android. This way you'll be able to change your password on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.